Guys, it's time for another update about Once Upon a Coma, which is my game I've been working on for 2 years. It's a game, actually I've been working on it for like 10 years because it's actually a reboot of a game I made when I was 18 years old. By the way, my name is Thomas Brush. I make video games for a living. And I want to just grovel at your feet and beg you to beg you to wishlist Once Upon a Coma. So click the link in the description. So that's the first thing I'm going to say. This video is sponsored by me. Click the link in the description and wishlist Once Upon a Coma. It would be amazing if you could wishlist the game, and it would really mean a lot to me because that way you'll know when it goes on sale on launch. It's going to be a pretty good sale, so click the link and you can get it on a discount. Okay, time for an update about Once Upon a Coma, guys. I finished the game, and I specifically asked my publisher, wait, what is this? What is this? What is that thingy? Ow. Oh. It was a hair in the middle of my eye. I didn't know hairs could grow out of the center of your eye. No, it's a feather. No, it's not a feather. It's a string coming out of my hat. Okay, so I specifically asked my publisher to lock me out of the repo, the GitHub repo. So that's the update, one of the updates. I don't want to feel the temptation to make changes and edits to the game. So I basically said, lock me out of the repo. I don't want to be involved in the porting process from a code perspective because I don't want to be tempted to fix stuff. So that's the first thing that's happened this week. It's an amazing feeling because now I have to just focus on marketing. I can't make changes to the game itself. This week, today, I'm working on... Actually, let me show you. Today, I'm working on the artwork. So let me throw that together. This is the artwork for Once Upon a Coma. Pretty cool, huh? And added in some logos, and then you got yourself a really legit-looking game. And I'll be honest, this game is legit. I love it. I'm really proud of it. So this is the trailer thumbnail. It's the store... art, and some of you watched me live stream the creation of this last week. But it was really fun because it was actually everything was sort of low poly, just using the line tool. So that was really, really fun. And that was also, by the way, guys, the original sketch was by Pete Cooper at Gamers for Good. He did a sketch for me, and I just drew over it and colored it in. It was really exciting to do. So that's what I worked on last week. And this week is really, really exciting. I reached out to, I can't say his name because I don't know whether he's going to say yes or no, but I reached out to a fellow collaborator that I worked with in the past to take a rendition of a piano song that I wrote for Once Upon a Coma. And I want him to make it big and bombastic and awesome. The thing about trailers are... it is tough to stand out. You really got to work hard to stand out when you're making a trailer. So as much as I'm opposed to making a trailer that's bombastic and exciting and huge, it's much more riskier to make a trailer that's, soft and subtle. I mean, it does sound kind of cool, though. Can you imagine if it was just a really light piano for the entire trailer? So there's me admitting that I'm not going to be a purist about the trailer, and I want something big and bombastic. Now, the thing is that we have to actually record using OBS, and I'm using OBS right now, and I can do a little screen capture, and I'm going to screen capture, and I'm doing this right now, screen capture the playthrough of Once Upon a Coma. It's about 3 hours long, and take all that footage and cut it into Premiere, Adobe Premiere, and wait, did I mention to you should wishlist Once Upon a Coma. Click the link below. Wishlist Once Upon a Coma. Okay, so I enter... I'm trying to make sure that I tell you to wishlist Once Upon a Coma. But that sounded incredibly... That wasn't a good segue. Anyway, I'm in Premiere, and I cut up all the cool scenes from the game. And the thing about making a video game trailer is you think, I'm just going to cut up the game, stick it in a trailer, and I'll be good. But what you realize is you really want it to flow and move. And so what happens is you're especially with a platform, the character will start on the left side of the screen and move to the right. But you want to cut between different pieces. So it's like he's running through different scenes. hitting enemies, talking to characters, collecting items, and it's all happening in this flow, this movement. You don't want the character over here and then over here and then over here and then over here. Maybe you do, but I don't. So you want it to feel exciting. But you also don't want to be dishonest. You don't want to tell something about your game that isn't true. One, because that's bad morally. Don't be a dishonest person. But two, people buy the game and then they totally get something they didn't expect, and then they get mad and they rage quit, write a bad review, and then return the game. So you want to be honest with your game and in your game's trailer. So that is what we're working on this week. What else? Oh, I'm putting together emails. We're going to be sending emails to various platforms and various, I can't say, to see if we can secure some things. That's all I can say about that. And so those emails include all the data and the stats and all that about the game. So it's a big, huge process, the marketing process. All that said, I'm also going to be learning either Blender or 3D, what's it called? Cinema 4D to start my next game. And I'll keep you posted on that. Guys, wishlist Once Upon a Coma now. Wishlist Once Upon a Coma now, please. That would be amazing. I'm genuinely would be thankful if you did. And then also, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I can't wait to post another update. Bye. Love you.